Hello guys, today I'll show you how to check the driver that doesn't work in the laptop. So you type Win key in your keyboard, Win plus E, and come up here, right click, manage. Click on device manager. So these are all the driver in this laptop. So if one of them doesn't work, the the sign will come up like this. So this firmware doesn't work, and the sign you see here, the exclamation mark here, you see the sign. And also if example, if this network doesn't work, the sign will come up here like this also. Yeah, so you need to reinstall or update or download from internet and install in this. Yes, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.